This dictation material has been obtained from official para 10. Posts in basic scale 1 to 4 do not require any academic qualifications, and the only attributes which candidates for these jobs can be required to possess or experience of the work involved in the jobs and good character of the candidates. Full stop. No selection criteria in terms of qualifications, etc., can therefore be prescribed. Full stop. The selection committee may therefore develop their own criteria for such posts. Full stop. For posts in basic scale 5, including clerks in the educational institutions where certain skill is needed, in addition to academic qualifications, qualified candidates with necessary reference and verification considered suitable by the selection committees who do not possess these skill may be selected subject to the condition that they shall acquire the skill within a reasonable period. Full stop. The case in point is the post of junior clerk, for which, in addition to qualifications of matriculation, typing speed of 25 words per minute is required. Full stop. Candidates who possess the academic qualifications but do not possess the requisite skill in typing may be selected subject to the condition that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of their appointment, and in case of their failure to do so, their services shall be liable to termination. Full stop. Unseen para. While the United States has put forward a motion to place Pakistan on a global terrorist financing watch list with Financial Action Task Force, the Pakistan government has started working with several member states in a bid to get the nomination withdrawn. A senior Pakistani official has confirmed. Full stop. Pakistan has been scrambling in recent months to avert being added to a list of countries deemed non-compliant with terrorist financing regulations by the Financial Action Task Force. A major official's fear can hurt its economy. Full stop. A meeting of Financial Action Task Force member states is due to take place next week in Paris, where the organization could adopt the motion on Pakistan. Full stop. Pakistan's de facto finance minister told that the United States and Britain had put forward the motion several weeks ago and later persuaded France and Germany to co-sponsor it. Full stop. We are now working with the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, and France for the nomination to be withdrawn, said while speaking over phone from Europe. Full stop. We are also quite hopeful that even the United States. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat and Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra.